Hello you guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Optimistic. Like, subscribe, and comment down below and turn on that notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you are brand new here, welcome. Today we are talking about this company called Aspen. It's going to be very brief and very short, and it's with a position within the call center representative field. And with this company, with this certain position, the pay will be $14.50 per hour, monthly bonus earning potential, and with the minimum experience and education goals as this: high school diploma or equivalent required, access to high-speed internet, must have cable, fiber, connect internet, no Wi-Fi, cellular or hotspots, and be at least 100 megabits per second download and 10 megabits per second upload. Ability to manage high call volume, desire to exceed customer service expectations, experience working in a fast-paced, customer-driven environment, previous call center experience A+, bilingual in English and Spanish A+. So if it seemed like something that you would like to do, only thing you have to do is just go ahead and apply. Now, some of the responsibilities at this company, it's not going to be all of them. I'm just going ahead and just list some of them because these are what they're looking for you to become a call center representative. Respond to high volume inbound calls while compassionately handling calls, questions, and concerns. Be empathetic to the customers. Schedule new patient appointments. Use trained skills, techniques to reach company goals of appointment set and customer satisfaction. Various duties as assigned by the call center leadership team. And that'll be all for this video, guys. Go ahead and apply or save this job, or you can go ahead and email someone about this job and everything. Is Facebook someone, LinkedIn is someone, and tweet someone about this company. Aspen Dental is a great company. Now, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day. Happy job hunting.